Blockchain allows you to differentiate your organization from the competition with secure distribution for supply chain management, medical records, manufacturing, retail, and more. As such, blockchain solutions architects are vital to companies that transact with the outside world. Blockchain provides opportunities for developers who already have a background in Python programming and cloud development to harness an exchange of secure and federated information built around an organization's products and services. Do you want to save time, costs, and resources by developing APIs that move away from a centralized approach? Are you looking for a solution that uses authenticated P2P for business manufacturing and other industry verticals? Skillsoft Aspire learning journeys are designed to move people forward within their organizations. These intentionally designed courses start by providing novice software programmers or app developers who may already be developing single data source solutions with the skills to perform transactions and a solid understanding of smart contracts so they can become true blockchain application developers. From there, blockchain application developers may move into the smart contracts programmer role, which focuses on mastering various IDEs to further smart contract development. This eventually progresses into the skills required to become a blockchain engineer, where the focus is on building blockchain apps and working with Hyperledger Fabric. Finally, those who aspire to become blockchain solutions architects will work on bringing together all the insights and knowledge acquired throughout their journey to build decentralized apps for Ethereum and the cloud. Let's take a look at what your blockchain application developer to blockchain solutions architect journey will entail. The blockchain application developer track is the first step in the journey towards becoming a blockchain engineer. Blockchain application developers often have a strong understanding of developing front-end and back-end solutions, but need to gain hands-on experience in using smart contracts to perform transactions. Without these skills, they must rely on third-party support, such as Bitcoin payment channels, in order to engage in transactions. Your journey will begin with the key concepts of mining smart contracts and Ethereum, storing data, and smart contract development. It then moves into working with MetaMask, the Geth client, and exploring some of the tools for smart contract development. Track 2 of your journey focuses on becoming a proficient smart contracts programmer. This track explores such topics as functions, ether transfer operations, data and control structures, and Hyperledger Fabric. The third step in becoming a blockchain solutions architect is the blockchain engineer role, which deals with building blockchain apps and working with Hyperledger Fabric. The training in this track progresses towards the final role of blockchain solutions architect by examining the use of Truffle Suite to build private blockchain networks with Ganache, automating development with the Truffle framework, and using Drizzle to build decentralized apps. The fourth and last step to becoming a blockchain solutions architect is to bring together key learnings from your journey by building decentralized applications and blockchains on the cloud. This track caps off your training by covering concepts such as building decentralized applications for Ethereum, working with bespoke Ethereum tokens, exploring single and multi-organization networks on Amazon Managed Blockchain, and building apps on the Azure Blockchain Workbench. So, where will your journey take you? All of our Aspire journeys for technology and developer are created based on a proven approach to learning design, which takes advantage of multimodal learning tools. From videos to books, learners have access to a multitude of resources that will orient them to key work functions and daily challenges. Learners can also apply concepts and develop blockchain apps with hands-on practice labs, done virtually using real equipment and applications, so that each learner can practice and develop their skills without compromising their own company's systems. At the end of each track within a journey, users must demonstrate their newfound knowledge by passing a rigorous final exam. Once a journey is fully completed, learners can continue their growth and move on to another area of study. Blockchain solutions architects can then move on to the DevOps engineer, lead programmer, or full-stack developer tracks at their own pace, enabling employees to continually learn, evolve, and develop their skills.